Love feels like magic, but behind that magic lies powerful psychology. Science has discovered secrets about love that most people don't know, and today we're revealing them to you. When you fall in love, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical linked to addiction. That's why love can feel so intoxicating and even addictive. Love also activates the brain's reward system, making you crave more time with your partner, just like a natural high. Oxytocin, known as the cuddle hormone, deepens trust and emotional bonding. That's why physical closeness makes love stronger. Interestingly, studies show that our heartbeats can synchronize with someone we love, creating a physical connection beyond words. Love even changes the way we see the world. Research proves that being in love makes us overlook flaws and focus on positives. Science calls this the halo effect. Attachment styles formed in childhood also influence how we love. Secure attachment leads to healthy relationships, while insecure patterns can create struggles. And here's the most surprising part. Science shows love can literally reduce stress, strengthen the immune system, and increase lifespan. So love isn't just a feeling, it's a powerful psychological and biological force shaping who we are. The next time your heart skips a beat, remember, it's not just romance, it's science.